It's my birthday, guys. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday and we wanna party. Yeah, guys, so it's the 22nd of November and it's my birthday. So we finally turned that big age. Hey, we finally turned that big age. Oh my days, I cannot believe it. Good morning, lovely people. It's my second day here in Tenerife and the sun is sunning. It is currently 7:50, so I'm about to head out and go for breakfast. So because it's my birthday today, the hotel, they brought me a card wishing me happy birthday. I will show you later. And they said I should go to the restaurant and they will have a surprise for me. But I know already I'm going to receive a piece of cake. I'm wearing this two-piece outfit by KENYO 221 Apparel, who is an amazing fashion designer based in Ghana, in Kumasi. He has Instagram, Facebook, and you should contact him also on WhatsApp. And he has TikTok too. So yeah, I'll link everything down below. The hotel, because I inquired about it before coming here, I asked them what special activities they do for guests who are celebrating their birthday. So they said they had a special offer or a package for birthday, so you can request for it and obviously you have to pay for it. But I didn't really like it because they were going to send you a whole cake and I'm by myself. I cannot eat a whole cake. Even though I love cakes, I cannot eat a whole cake. And then they were going to give a bottle of premium champagne. I think it's called Cava, which is typical of Spain. And I'm like, I don't really drink. I don't drink alcohol. So what's the point? I cannot eat the whole cake and I cannot drink the alcohol. So I decided to not do that. But they said that they also offer free cake to guests during their breakfast time. So during the night, I heard something, but I didn't know what was going on. But I woke up this morning and when I went to my door, they had sent me this card. And inside, they are just basically wishing me happy birthday. And they are telling me to go to the breakfast area and show them the card that they sent me. And obviously, I'll receive what I need to receive, which is a piece of cake with my breakfast. So that is what I'm going to do now. I want to go to the Loro Parque. Unfortunately, I didn't book it. So I asked the hotel about it, how much it's going to be, and if they offer transportation, and they said yes. However, they told me to book it yesterday when I arrived. So once I arrived to the hotel, I was supposed to go to the information area and book it for today. But I completely forgot yesterday, honestly. I completely forgot. So I don't know if I go now, they'll be able to book me in. I have no idea, but I will try. If I don't get that opportunity, or if I don't get that transportation that they offer, I know that there are some buses that go to the place, but I need to change multiple buses and it takes around 2 hours, 30 minutes. So I don't know. I will see how long it will take and if I'm willing to do all that travel, or if I can take a taxi, which is going to be a bit pricey because it's about 1 hour, 15 minutes from my hotel. So I don't know. We will see that. But yeah, I'm very gassed. So I'm wearing this two-piece from KENYO 221 Apparel, who is an amazing fashion designer based in Kumasi, Ghana. And it's amazing. It's perfect for this holiday. And let me just show you quickly. So this is the two-piece that I'm wearing. It's so beautiful, guys. I love it. Perfect for this holiday, honestly. Yeah, so I'm wearing just some Crocs. Not really Crocs, the brand, but you know what I mean. I'm wearing this. Yeah, these are my sliders. Yay. And yeah, this is the letter. Let me open it so you can see what is going on. Obviously, they wrote it in Italian because maybe from my passport, they were able to tell that it's my birthday. So here it is. Buon compleanno, which is happy birthday in Italian. Buongiorno, signora Francisca, la informiamo. I just need to present that letter to the breakfast people, the chefs, and then they'll give me a piece of cake. So let's go. Guys, so you can get whatever food that you want. It's amazing. You just grab whatever that you want, basically. So you can literally just grab anything that you want to eat. You can sit inside or you can eat outside, basically. So it's amazing. So I've got a bit of everything for breakfast. As you can see, my plate is packed because I want to taste everything. And there are so many choices, guys. I didn't even know where to start from. And I have an orange juice, fresh orange squeeze. Amazing. Tastes really good. So let's dig in. Let's first go with okay. Not bad. It's very nice, guys. Honestly. They have the tortilla, which is amazing, and wow. Great. Thank you. Oh. Oh, wow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Oh. So they just brought my cake. They just brought my cake and it's so big. Ah. Goodness me. Guys, so I have the cake. Amazing. It says just happy birthday. I'm so excited. Then I have my bubbles. Cheers. Nice. Okay, so I don't normally drink alcohol, but I would say that this is nice. It's not bad. Hopefully I don't get tipsy. It's very, very nice, honestly. I'll ask to take the cake away. I hope they have like a takeaway bowl or something like that so I can take it upstairs. Because I don't feel like eating it now. I might cut it maybe in the evening. So yeah, hopefully I can take it to my room and put it in the fridge. And yeah, so far so good, guys. My plan to go to the Loro Parque might not happen today because the transport that the hotel offers leaves at 9:30, I believe, and it's already 9:32, so it's quite late, and I've missed it. So I'm going to ask them if maybe tomorrow I can book for tomorrow, or if they have another bus that will leave later in the day, then I might join them. Otherwise, I'll do it for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to do a late checkout anyway, so it should be fine. So then if I don't go today, then I might just go to the beach and have a relaxing day. I'll just relax and have a good time. After a long journey on the bus, I changed buses like 3 or 4 times, and then I got a taxi to get here. I am finally here at the Loro Parque. It is currently 1:30, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's currently 1:34, and they will close at about 5:30. So I need to go inside because it is massive, it is big, and you need time to experience the whole park. So that is what I'm going to do. And yeah, guys, finally, if you want to travel to Loro Parque and you are staying at Playa de las Americas, please make sure that you book with your hotel or you get the bus very early in the morning so that you can get here early in the morning around 10 a.m. and you can enjoy this place. So yeah, I made a mistake by not booking it yesterday when I arrived, but it's fine. I'm here now, so cool.
Igual, pero es difícil ubicarte, pues lógico. Está...
Oh, that's the way we do it.
Oh my days.
A zobaczcie sobie takie akwarium jest co?
I don't know if you can see, guys, but there is a tiger there. The white point there. It's just hiding because it's too hot. Oh, just hiding. Guys, so far so good. This park is massive. It's so big. Oh my god. I've been walking and walking and walking. And we have two big crocodiles behind me. We have the crocodile then. They are chilling, basking in the sun. Amazing. So I'm now at where the gorilla is, the gorilla's den, and all the animals are hiding. So look at how beautiful this is. Look, this is where the gorilla stays. He just passed by from there and then he went to hide. So I cannot show you. Aww. The gorilla went to hide. They are so cute. So I made it to the dolphin show. They're about to start. They will start at 4:15, and I literally rushed. I was running to get to this place. They have not started yet, so it's going to be amazing. I have had an absolutely amazing day. This was the best way to celebrate my birthday, honestly. I've been in this park, I've explored, I've seen everything, and amazing. Best day ever, honestly, best day ever. So my recommendation is that if you want to come to this park, Loro Park, make sure that you come here early because the park is quite big and in the afternoon it's very busy. So it's nice to come in early, take your time and enjoy the nature so you can see every single detail of this place. But yes, even though I came here around 1:30, I was able, no, was it 1:30? I think it was nearly 2 o'clock. I was still able to see everything. It is currently about 4, wait, let me check. Yeah, it is currently 4:56. So there is still plenty of time because they will close at 5:30. So even though I came quite late, I was able to see everything and I'm so happy about it. But I had to rush a bit because I was scared that I was not going to be able to see everything. So yeah, guys, take your time, come in early. If your hotel sorts out the transportation, go for it because it's much easier. As I said, I had to take 4 buses plus a taxi to get to this place. And the buses were quite late, so if you miss one, then you have to wait like 30 minutes for the next one again. So, and it was busy. A lot of people were traveling, so you know that you need to be very careful. You need to make sure that you start your journey early. You plan your journey early, and once again, if your hotel offers transport for Loro Park, go for it, pay for it, and just come to this place. So yeah, guys, I'll end the vlog here for Loro Park. I'm going to find my way out of this place because I have a long journey ahead of me to get back to Las Americas because I'm at the other side of the island. So I need to get back to, yes, and I need to go for dinner. I've not booked any place, but I really want to go for dinner in a nice restaurant. So that is what I will do. So guys, stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you love about this vlog. And yeah, and if there are any places that you want me to visit, and when I visit, if you want me to vlog it, let me know and I'll do it. So see you guys. Bye. So tonight is still my birthday, obviously. I decided to eat at the restaurant, Italian restaurant at the hotel, which is called Il Diavolo. And I've just ordered. They brought the bread. They brought bread and butter, and I'm waiting for the food. So I anticipate that it's going to be amazing. So I'm still in the spirit of celebration. So yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They just brought you my drink. So, yeah. The food tastes amazing. Like, it's really good. Cheers, guys. It's nice. Very good. So they brought this dessert. It's called basil lemon, and I'm actually scared to eat it because what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Oh my god. Okay, let's try it. Oh god. Okay, it is different. I don't know. It is weird, but it tastes also good. It's like so fluffy, it disappears in thin air. Like as soon it melts as soon as you put it in your mouth, and I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to think, guys. Okay, so we have ice cream, lemon ice cream. And then around it, we have like basil made with something, I don't know. Then we have blueberries, and we have like some biscuits. It's not bad, but it's weird. Yes. Okay. It's not bad, it's alright. Something different is always good, so it's good.
You know this one? No? Because if you don't know it, I can switch it up. But it's a nice song. It's a big classic of French music. And usually when we say, oh, Champs-Élysées, you do pa-da-pa-pa-pa. Who knows this one? No?
I think so.
Okay, I see some yes. At least just enjoy the music.
it is currently 11 p.m. on the 22nd of November, and I am about to cut my birthday cake provided by the hotel where I am staying, the Mediterranean Palace here in Tenerife. They gave me this cake at breakfast, and obviously I kept it in the fridge because I was busy all day, and now I am finally about to cut it. So here it is, guys. It looks so amazing. Of course, I'm going to pray first before everything. So okay, so may God bless me in 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! So I've cut it. Ooh. Okay, so it's a chocolate cake. Of course, I'm going to taste it because yes. Okay, it's nice. So let's taste it. Cheers, guys. It tastes good. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, it is just a chocolate cake, but it is not sweet in the sense of there is not a lot of sugar in it, which is how I like it. So it's very nice, and it is very creamy, delicious, just like how I want it. Let's have the last one. So I want to end today's vlog here. My birthday has been amazing. It was an amazing day. I went to the Loro Parque. I had a beautiful time with nature, with all the animals. I explored, walked a lot. So I've burned a lot of calories, I hope. I hope I've burned a lot of calories. And then I came back to the hotel. I had a great, amazing dinner at the Italian restaurant here at the hotel. And then I went to listen to music, and I took some pictures and videos. I ate my cake, and now I'm about to sleep. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow my plan is to go to the beach and relax before I go for my plane back to the UK. Yeah, so guys, have a good night and see you tomorrow.